Although admission to the birthing unit might vary from hospital to hospital, there will be some things which will be similar across the board. In this video talk, we are going to explain why admission to the birthing unit can be important in a birth injury investigation in which a baby has suffered a traumatic injury at birth. And usually in this context, we're going to talk about a brain injury. For a lot of families who contact us, there can be a lot of confusion surrounding not only what may have caused their baby's injury at birth, but what are the next steps for finding answers. Admission to the birthing unit. As I previously mentioned, although the specifics in each hospital might vary, these things in general will be done by the nurse upon admission to the birthing unit. And they are the following: to determine why the patient is there for admission, gathering the patient's history, and doing a review of the prenatal record for mom. A physical examination for mom and baby will also be done initially. Once these things are done, the nurse may then discuss in more detail prenatal issues with mom, and these discussions can center around the following: an estimated date of delivery, the current gestational age, whether mom has experienced any complications during pregnancy, and if so, what type, the results stemming from any type of laboratory tests and ultrasounds, those can be discussed. If mom has used any medications during pregnancy, what are the names of those medications? The presence of vaginal bleeding or any type of discharge, the status of the amniotic fluid, fetal movement can be noted, and fetal contraction patterns and their onset. Now you might be asking yourself now, why is this information important during a birth injury investigation? From a medical legal perspective, the information that we just discussed is helpful in completing the picture of what may have happened during labor and delivery. It is important to know what the doctors and nurses knew as they assisted mom through labor and delivery and what actions, if any, that they performed. One of the main areas of analysis when getting answers for families is whether the medical professionals adhered to the standard of care owed to mom and baby, and if there was a departure from that standard, and is that departure what caused the injury. Starting at the admissions to the birthing unit is a good way to begin to find answers for these questions. If you have more questions regarding your baby's brain injury at birth, there is a telephone number on the screen that you can call to reach us. We speak with families like yours all the time regarding these issues, and we will be happy to talk with you. One more thing, we practice law in Maryland, and if you contact us and you are not in Maryland, understand that we have to use co-counsel or an attorney in your state, which we will provide, to help with the case. This is Marcus from Boston Law Group LLC, and we will talk with you next time.